This Phantom wallet, $5.38 million, all from deving meme coins. Not by trading, not by gambling, just by doing smart deving moves. Stay tuned, I'll show you the exact method right now. Guys, just a couple months ago, I used to trade meme coins every single day. I was trying to become rich or financially free, but every single fucking time I bought inside a brand new meme coin, guess what happened? Well, I felt like I was early, but I got completely dumped on and I was just late. Just like this coin right here. It's a perfect example. It got pumped by the dev and then dumped by him immediately after a couple more minutes. But that's exactly my point. The real winners were not the ones trading. They were the ones deving. Because bro, believe it or not, you can make way more money deving meme coins than trading. That's the complete truth. Because launching means total control. You decide the supply, the price, and the narrative. And when the hype hits, you are cashing out whenever the fuck you want. And that's exactly why I switched completely from trading to deving, because now I am the one who is launching and then dumping. And yeah bro, it completely changed my life. Right now, Bitcoin is ripping and Solana is heating up. It's the best time to start learning. Make sure to keep watching. And by the way, everything I show here is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research before making any moves. Cap! Now most people go to Pump.Fun obviously if they want to launch meme coins and they think that they can make a shit ton of money off this website, but that's completely wrong. Because Pump.Fun's too crowded nowadays. Too many coins and not enough visibility for your tokens. Your project gets buried before it even starts and you cannot even control the liquidity. That's exactly why I despise this website and that's exactly why I switched to create tokens.io, because this website is 100% better. All your tokens launch straight to Raydium. They get immediately graduated, which means your coin will be viewed to thousands of new trenchers. And also, you get full control over your coin. You control the money, the liquidity, everything. You get a lot of exposure and a fair shot to grow your coin. That's exactly why thousands of new devs are coming to this platform, because it's the new wave. Now here's how to make a meme coin on this platform. You have two different options and both options are really easy. Now the first option or the first way to create a coin is to make it from scratch. So go on X, go on Instagram, go on any social media and look for something. Look for a narrative that you can make a meme coin on. For example, Luke Belmar, you will blink and ETH will be at 6k. Okay. That's not good. Just anything, right? For example, Elon Musk says Bitcoin is going to be based on energy. That's decent, right? Okay. Now, once you have a good narrative, come back to create tokens.io, enter a name, add a symbol, put a quick image for your coin, and just like that, after a couple more steps, you are done and your coin is live. But the second method, this is a money printer. Okay, that's the copy trending coins tab, and this method prints generational wealth, bro. I love this method. Now these are all trending coins on Pump.Fun. All you have to do is just copy one from this list and it will launch directly to Raydium. And because the hype, the traffic, and the eyeballs are already in these coins, you'll see immediate buyers and faster profits from the start. Copying coins is a cheat code. Alright guys, let's stop wasting time. I'm going to dev a coin right now so you can see exactly how smooth this process really is. So first of all, make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected to the website. Then click on refresh list to have all the new coins on this list. And I'm going to copy the silver coin. It has a last buy 8 seconds ago. Let's see, it has an X, right? And 62 replies. I'm going to click on create coin. And then ignore the warning from Phantom, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied shortly. All you have to do is just sit back and wait, and boom. If I go on SoulScan, now it's live, yes sir. But yeah, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is simple. We're just creating the liquidity pool. That's what makes your coin live and instantly tradable on the Raydium DEX instantly. So buyers can jump in right away once it's live. So first of all, for the token A, just tap the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens. Right under is for the amount token B. This is your first buy into your own coin. You are not losing that SOL. It's just locked into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once you remove the liquidity later, that SOL comes right back to you, right back inside your dev wallet. That's exactly why we have nothing to lose. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe, and then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on the refresh button, and if you scroll down, boom, the coin is now live. Our P&L is at $0. But if you do click on the refresh button right here, now we're up $200 because people are now buying our coin on the, on Memescope, on the Raydium DEX. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart. If you want to see the chart on Axiom, you can do so just by putting the token address. Now let me go on full screen for a better view for you guys, and let's see what happens real quick. We're already up a couple $100, as you guys can see, 1.3k in market cap. Things are looking good. It's pumping just a tiny. Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? It's pumping so much! Okay, now it's time to dump the coin! Actually, no. I'm gonna give this coin more time for it to pump. It has to pump. 1.8k in market cap. Guys, this is why I love the Raydium DEX, because so many people are seeing the coin on the migrate section, and so many people are going to start buying in. That's what I love about, deving coins, because bro, this costed me literally $0 to make, and it's pumping, bro. Now guys, do not be emotional. You have to remember that you have nothing to lose. I'm gonna give this coin a couple more minutes, and when I'm back, we're going to make some money. Okay guys, I'm back. It looks like we are making a lot of money right now. 3.7k market cap. It's all green. It's all green. A lot of liquidity. We're still getting buyers, but now it's time to make some money. So come back to create tokens.io real quick, and then click on the refresh button for a second time once again. I know. Just to see our profits, and boom, we are up 1.8k in USD with a 4.4k market cap, 1.8k in liquidity. Everything matches. Anyways, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin. Let's see what happens. And now, as you guys can see, I'm going to receive 9 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you make money from deving meme coins. If I open the wallet to see exactly how much we made, and for proof, boom, 1.8k straight inside my Phantom wallet. It's all real, look.